Respected sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the floor of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1A of today's revised list of business.
Through Dr. L. Muruganji on behalf of Sriman Nityanand Rai ji.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Nityanand Rai, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1 class B of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Thank you.
Professor Sriman S.P. Singh Bahal ji.
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1C पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष पत्र सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान B.L. वर्मा जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 1D पर अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती सावित्री ठाकुर जी।
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची क्रम संख्या 5 पर मैं अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन पटल पर रखती हूँ।
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel. श्रीमान Sajjad Ahmed Khichlu ji.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each in Hindi and English on the 27th report of Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Shriman Arjun Ram Meghwal ji to move a motion for election of 2 members to the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to move the following motion, that this House concurs in the recommendation of the Lok Sabha that the Rajya Sabha do elect 2 members of the Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit in the vacancies caused by the retirement of Sri N.R. Elango and Sri Deepak Prakash from the membership of Rajya Sabha with effect from 2nd April 2026 and 21st June 2026 respectively, and resolves that the House do proceed to elect in the manner as directed by the Chairman 2 members from amongst the members of the House to the said Joint Committee to fill the vacancies. Thank you, sir.
The motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now matters rise with permission. You all take your seat. You all take your seat. Then only I will ask him to speak. If you all take your seat, then I will ask him to speak.
Sir, Mike, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, I crave the indulgence of all the members cutting across the party lines. This is not a partisan issue, it's a bipartisan issue. Sir, we have a parliamentary democracy based on multi-party system. Yesterday, an unfortunate incident happened. A Delhi police team barged into the headquarters of CPM, which is a national political party. You know that, sir. Camera not showing, sir. Why are they camera playing like this?
No. You address to me. You address to me,
sir.
You address to me,
Sir. Yesterday, Delhi police team barged into AKG Bhavan. You have huge respect. You have told many a time respect for AK Gopalan. Sir, it was to arrest Aishi Ghosh, Madam Nirmala ji, who is a former JNU Student Union President. Her only mistake was that she participated in Jantar Mantar agitation. Leave it, sir. Sir, I happen to be there, sir. I want your indulgence. Yashankar ji, you also should. I happened to go there. I asked the Delhi police team, why did you barge into the office of a national political party? Then they said they want to arrest Aishi Ghosh, who is here. And I asked, what is the reason? They said there is a case pending against her. And I asked about the case. 2021 case with regard to certain protest in JNU campus. Sir, then I told them, sir, please listen. Sir, this is a, Arey, Shramik, please. Sir, this is a bipartisan issue. I have no problem in Delhi police. I have no problem Delhi police have. Sir, the shocking thing is that they came without uniform.
Now you conclude.
Sir,
Now you conclude, please.
1997 Act, SOP of
Please,
Delhi
you
police.
conclude.
The Delhi
Gandhi,
police has
please
to be
conclude now.
identified. My demand is that they want to send the fear across the youngsters.
Now you conclude.
Everyone
Now
who is
I
part of the
conclude.
I want a
Now,
statement from the
Shriman
Honorable Home Minister as to what has happened.
Rajiv Bhattacharya ji. Now, Shriman Rajiv Bhattacharya ji.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आप जानते होंगे कि उत्तर पूर्वी का एक राज्य है त्रिपुरा, जो पिछले सरकार द्वारा शासित कांग्रेस और सीपीएम ने बहुत सालों से ये शासन किया है। आज जिन्होंने जैन जी की बात करते हैं, लेकिन उधर का युवा का भविष्य क्या होगा? उनका रोजगार क्या होगा? उनका क्या साधन क्या होगा रोजगार का? ये कांग्रेस और सीपीएम का सरकार रहते हुए भी त्रिपुरा की युवा का कुछ सुधार नहीं हुआ और 2014 से आजादी के बाद से मोदी सरकार बनने के बाद उत्तर पूर्वीय क्षेत्रों में खास करके त्रिपुरा की आम जनता हो, जनजाति क्षेत्र हो, मोदी जी ने विकास का कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ा। आपके माध्यम से सरकार को अवगत करना चाहता हूँ।
Let him complete. Please let him come back to you.
30% जनजातीय क्षेत्रों का जनजातियों का बास है। इसमें मोदी जी द्वारा स्किल इंडिया मिशन, डिजिटल इंडिया, स्टार्टअप इंडिया, प्रधानमंत्री जातीय आदिवासी न्याय अभियान,
Let him complete that.
त्रिपुरा में स्टार्ट हो गया जनजाति युवा को खड़ा करने के लिए मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार के पास अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि
This is not correct. You
त्रिपुरा
should
में
not stop the speech of
जनजाति
Honorable
जो
I am
युवा
going
है,
back to him. You please
इनके लिए
take your seat.
रेसिडेंशियल स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड
I am
एम्प्लॉयमेंट
coming back
सेंटर
to him.
बने जो
You should not take
बॉडी
your seat.
ट्राइबल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है, इसके माध्यम से ये त्रिपुरा की जनजातियों का जो युवा है इनको रोजगार मिलेगा, स्किल डेवलपमेंट में इनको प्रोत्साहित करने का एक संकल्प होगा। हाल ही में हमारा नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो मन की बात, जो जनजातियों का असली और त्रिपुरा को दिखाने का काम अभी मन की बात अनुष्ठान में त्रिपुरा जनजातियों का एक वाद्य यंत्र है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट चेन प्रो, ये सरोज देववर्मा को प्रोत्साहित किया है। मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये कांग्रेस और सीपीएम का बहुत सालों से त्रिपुरा में सरकार थी, तब युवाओं का कुछ नहीं किया। ये मोदी जी आने के बाद त्रिपुरा में युवक जनजातियों का सबका उन्नयन के डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम कर रहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से ये बात सदन में रखना चाहता हूँ। नमस्कार, थैंक यू भाई साहब।
Now, madam, I know why you are recommending. I know LOP very well. Why you are recommending, I am doing it. Now, leader of the opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge ji.
सर, जो बेटा ने यहाँ पर उठाया मुद्दा, ये बहुत शर्मनाक है कि एक नेशनल पार्टी के ऑफिस में हम घुस के अगर सीबीआई के लोग पुलिस ये घुस के जाते हैं, उसको अरेस्ट करने की बात करते हैं। डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट सेफ, पीपल आर नॉट सेफ। Therefore, I request you, people who have gone there unauthorized, they should be punished. Why they have gone? Who are they? Who ordered them?
You ask your people to sit in there.
No, I am asking, who asked them to go there?
Now,
Who ordered?
now the honorable leader of the house,
That
now
is
the
not
leader
the
of the
house.
house will reply.
That is not the
Sir, you have raised your voice. Let the government respond to it.
Sir,
Let the government to respond to it. He has raised, you have raised. Sir, let the government respond to it. Please take your seat. Please take your seat, let him respond. Now,
sir,
now the leader of the house.
whatever my friend, sir, what my friend John Vitas has said, this is a very normal law and order situation that we have to understand. I have been a student activist. I have been arrested many times from the classroom in emergency days when Congress party was ruling. I have been arrested. Mr. John Vitas, it is a normal situation. A student activist has to face.
Go back and take your
those
seat.
who take law and order in their own hand, the police have to act accordingly, and the police has acted accordingly for those cases. They are trying to sensationalize. It is a normal law and order activity which the police undertakes, and any student activist who wants to do activism should face this.